Ready for a snow day?
You don't know if it's a snow day.
I have a snow day, and Mom has a snow day. What? No snow days for you yet?
Not yet.
Cross your fingers. Cross them.
I already am.
Oh. Looks like you two are already ready for the snow day. They just got the call. You got it too? Everybody has a snow day, Jelly.
Alexa, turn off all the lights. You show your passcode on TV on your camera?
No.
I can't wait for Cheetos. The last snow day movie we watched was Despicable Me 3.
Look, I've got some bad news. Gonna stop you right there. No bad news allowed. Because today is National Snow Day.
Roll. Come on, Snow. Hit us with your best shot.
Wow,
What?
this is already bad. I got rid of that.
It got so much worse. It got so much worse.
So close.
I don't think so. Good.
Wow, it's like a winter wonderland.
Hi, Mom. Roxy. Rox, come here. Roxy, come. Come on. Come on, girl. Roxy.
Whistle, whistle.
Come here, girl. Come here, girl.
He's got the
Ah. Always like that. Like right here.
You go, huh?
Come on. So, literally the day after we were done, actually that night we came outside and we saw this. Yeah, that was the tree that we shook off, and it's right over here. So don't shake trees when it's snowing. Now.